Welcome back, guys. Thanks for tuning in. We are back with unboxing of another classic smell that holds classic Middle Eastern touch. A touch which instantly transport you back in time when heavy lavish thobes and smoothly flowing robes go unearthing the old tales buried in dunes of time. If you are into something heavy and strong, which suits the dark and dull winter times, leaves its masculine mark on everyone you meet, then it's right up your street. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Pascal Morabito. Gold edition Oud, genuinely quality stuff, instantly at first sniff. It will remind you of high-end brand offerings. Surprisingly, the price you have paid for this gold edition Oud does not let you down at all. Bottle with quality looks holds the magical portion. Tangy, spicy ride full of rich citrusy accords and a musky undertone. Released in 2014 by perfume brand Pascal Morabito, Gold Edition Oud treats the nose to top notes reminiscent of fall, cinnamon and nutmeg coupled with fruity notes of cranberry. Freshly applied, and your walk through crowded room will not go unnoticed, will mimic the phrase, taking away others' breath, as will feel very heavy on lungs depending on how much you have used. In terms of its smells staying with you, it definitely has good reviews. Might get milder as the day goes by, but won't disappear. I would say it's good value for money. The heart is rich with woody notes of oud, sandalwood, cedar and birch, while the base notes of musky amber and sweet vanilla finish off a beautifully complex, yet delightful cologne for men and women. Pascal Morabito is a French design company that started selling fragrances in 1980. Pascal uses his love of beauty, art, and science to create his jewelry, fragrance, and luxury items, with over 50 fragrances available. It's supposed to last around 8 hours. I wouldn't say it does live up to its promise, but does hang around for a long time. 100 milliliters bottle for the fraction of a price. Comparing it to high-end brands is bargain price. It's made in France. Overall, it's not a bad deal at all. Some may say it might appeal to more seasoned and mature minds, as it lacks the trendy sharp and snappy tones. So if you're after a perfume to gift someone special, then this just might be the right perfume. That's it from us, guys. Do leave your opinion in the comment box. Like the video if you find it helpful. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for future videos.